In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Twitter feed on Google Sites, fast and easy. This Google Sites tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to enhance their website with a dynamic Twitter feed. So let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, simply type in Google Sites, and you'll see a list of options. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Google Sites homepage. If you haven't used Google Sites before, don't worry. It's a user-friendly platform that allows you to easily create and manage your own website right from your Google account. Once you're on the Google Sites page, you'll see an overview of the sites you've already worked on. If you're starting fresh, you can follow along by selecting one of the existing sites or opting to create a new one. For today's tutorial, simply select a site by clicking on it. This will open up the editing mode for the selected Google site. Now, with your site open in edit mode, direct your attention to the right sidebar. You'll notice several options there, but what we're interested in today is the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on Insert. This is where you'll find various modules and widgets you can add to your site to make it more engaging and interactive. After clicking Insert, you should see an option for Embed among the various insert features. Click on Embed. Now here's the important part. Google Sites gives you two ways to embed content. You can either use a URL or an embed code. For integrating a Twitter feed, both methods are possible. But today we'll focus on the URL method since it's quicker and simpler for beginners. Now head over to your Twitter account or the specific Twitter page you wish to feature on your site. Copy the URL from your web browser's address bar. Before pasting it into Google Sites, ensure that you have permission to embed this content, especially if it's not your own Twitter account. Sharing content responsibly is key. Back on the Google Sites page, paste your copied Twitter feed URL into the provided field. This is the part where Google Sites integrates with Twitter to pull the feed into your page. Once you've pasted the URL, click on Insert. The Twitter feed should now appear on your Google Sites page. You can drag and resize this embedded element to fit the layout of your page as you see fit. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a dynamic Twitter feed to your Google site, enhancing it with real-time updates from your or someone else's Twitter account. Experiment with it and see how live social media content can enliven your website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.